Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add or Slack on Microsoft project. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for this video, we are going to simply follow the support article of Microsoft. And from here, we will be able to know how we can add or show the Slack in the projects. So simply, all we will be needing to do is to start adding the slack. And as you can see, by definition, a task with a zero slack is considered a critical task. So basically, you will be needing just to build some slack into your path. You will need, or you can change the default settings for slack, and the tasks are critical if slack is less than equal or less than to like the box on the calculation option. So basically, it depends on each task. So simply we can go there and go to the file, and from option you will be able to start like showing the critical path of your project. So now to start Slack and finish Slack fields to any task, you can like add a new column, and from there you can do it. So now let's just use the detailed Gantt view to find Slack. So as you can see, like on the other views of your tasks, etc., you will find more views. By clicking on more views, you will be needing just to simply click on schedule. So as you can see, you can go to view tables, and from there you can go to schedule, and basically you will be able to click on a task, and from there you will be able to find the Slack values in the free Slack and total Slack fields of this schedule view of this Gantt detail. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.